Here we have the Galaxy A15 5GB from Samsung, and I will be unboxing it. So this phone has 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and a 6.5-inch display. Here in this first box, for accessories, we have a USB-C to C cable, pretty standard. Other than that, we have a instruction manual, and that's all. Now, here we have the phone, and we're going to take this off once I figure out how to do that. Here we go. And here, the actual phone. 6.5-inch display, 50 megapixel 1080p camera, nice finish. We also have a SIM ejection tool, which is pretty convenient. And that's all. There's a Samsung Care Plus. And here it is. Thanks for watching.